In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of peace can feel nearly impossible. That's where our topic of 5-minute meditation you can do anywhere comes in. This video aims to introduce you to quick and effective meditation techniques that fit seamlessly into your busy lifestyle. With the constant demands of work, family, and social obligations, taking just 5 minutes for yourself can significantly reduce stress and enhance your focus. Throughout this video, you'll discover simple yet powerful meditation practices that can be done anywhere, whether you're at your desk, in a park, or even on public transport. By the end, you'll have practical tools to help you cultivate mindfulness and tranquility, no matter where life takes you. So, let's dive in and explore the transformative power of just 5 minutes of meditation. Meditation is a practice that involves focusing the mind to achieve a state of mental clarity and emotional calm. It comes in various forms, with mindfulness meditation being one of the most popular. This technique encourages you to be present in the moment, observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Regular meditation offers numerous mental and physical health benefits, including reduced stress, improved concentration, and enhanced emotional well-being. Studies have shown that consistent practice can lower anxiety levels and even improve sleep quality. Beyond these benefits, meditation serves as a powerful tool for personal growth, helping you develop greater self-awareness and resilience. By incorporating meditation into your daily routine, you can unlock a deeper understanding of yourself and foster a more balanced, fulfilling life. Finding the right space for meditation is essential for a successful practice. Look for quiet places like parks, your office, or even a cozy corner in your home where you can retreat from distractions. Creating a comfortable environment is key. Consider adding soft cushions, dim lighting, or calming scents to enhance your experience. Remember, meditation doesn't have to be confined to a specific location. You can practice anywhere, even in public spaces like a quiet cafe or a park bench. The goal is to find a spot where you feel at ease and can focus inward. By establishing a dedicated space or simply choosing a peaceful moment in your day, you'll set the stage for a more fulfilling meditation practice that fits seamlessly into your life. In this section, we'll explore simple meditation techniques that can be practiced in just 5 minutes. One effective method is deep breathing. Start by finding a comfortable position, closing your eyes, and inhaling deeply through your nose for a count of 4. Hold for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. Repeat this for 5 cycles. Another technique is body scanning. Begin by sitting or lying down comfortably. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Then focus on each part of your body, starting from your toes and moving up to your head, noticing any tension and consciously relaxing those areas. Lastly, try visualization. Picture a serene place, like a beach or forest, and immerse yourself in the sights and sounds. Choose the technique that resonates with you and enjoy your 5 minutes of mindfulness. Integrating short meditation sessions into a busy schedule can be easier than you think. Consider setting aside specific times for meditation, such as early in the morning to start your day with clarity or during lunch breaks to recharge your mind. Even a few minutes of mindfulness can make a significant difference. To help you stay on track, set reminders on your phone or calendar to practice regularly. This will create a routine that becomes a natural part of your day. Remember, consistency is key for reaping the long-term benefits of meditation. By committing to just 5 minutes each day, you'll gradually notice improvements in your focus, stress levels, and overall well-being. Embrace these moments as essential self-care and watch how they transform your daily life. In summary, we've explored the transformative benefits of 5-minute meditation, including stress relief, improved focus, and enhanced emotional well-being. We discussed simple techniques like deep breathing, body scanning, and visualization that can easily fit into your busy schedule. Remember, making meditation a daily habit is crucial for experiencing its long-term advantages. As you embark on this journey, I encourage you to choose a technique that resonates with you and commit to practicing regularly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content to support your mindfulness journey. Thank you for watching, and may your meditation practice bring you peace and clarity in your daily life.